Welcome back, skincare enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of vitamins that can transform your skin in just 1 week. From tackling those pesky wrinkles and fine lines to fading hyperpigmentation and boosting overall skin health, these vitamins are the ultimate key to unlocking your best skin yet. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey towards a visibly transformed complexion, buckle up. We're about to break down each vitamin, exploring their unique benefits and how you can incorporate them into your daily routine. First up, we're talking about vitamin A, the holy grail for anyone looking to combat the signs of aging. Vitamin A is clinically proven to boost cell turnover, which means it helps your skin shed dead skin cells more effectively, revealing the fresh, youthful skin underneath. This accelerated cell renewal process also helps to diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and even acne scars over time. And always, always, always wear sunscreen during the day, as vitamin A can increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. Next, let's talk about vitamin B3, also known as the beloved niacinamide. Niacinamide works wonders by reducing inflammation and redness, making it a godsend for those with acne-prone or sensitive skin. It also helps to minimize the appearance of pores, giving your skin a smoother, more refined texture. But that's not all. Niacinamide is also a potent antioxidant, meaning it protects your skin from environmental damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. Get ready to brighten up your life with vitamin C, the ultimate glow-getter. This potent antioxidant is like a shot of espresso for your skin, instantly brightening and revitalizing dull, tired complexions. Vitamin C works by inhibiting melanin production, which is the process that causes dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And as if that wasn't enough, vitamin C also boosts collagen production, which keeps your skin firm, plump, and youthful. It's a win-win situation. Chapter 4. Vitamin D, the skin savior from within. Now, let's talk about a vitamin that often gets overlooked in skincare. Vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in skin cell growth and repair, which is essential for maintaining a healthy skin barrier. A strong skin barrier is like a protective shield, keeping moisture in and irritants out. If you struggle with skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis, ensuring adequate vitamin D levels can be incredibly beneficial. Chapter 5. Vitamin E, the ultimate skin soother. Let's move on to vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant known for its incredible moisturizing and healing properties. This skin-loving vitamin is a must-have for anyone with dry, sensitive, or irritated skin. Vitamin E works by protecting your skin cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on your complexion. It also helps to strengthen your skin's natural barrier function, locking in moisture and keeping dryness at bay. Chapter 6. Vitamin K, the dark circle diminisher. Say goodbye to those pesky dark circles and hello to brighter, more vibrant under eyes with vitamin K. This powerful ingredient is like a magic eraser for discoloration, helping to improve circulation and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Vitamin K works by strengthening the capillaries under your eyes, which are tiny blood vessels that can become weak and leak, leading to those dreaded dark circles. You can find vitamin K in eye creams, serums, and even some concealers. Chapter 7. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, the hydration hero. Let's talk about vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid, a hydration hero that deserves a standing ovation. This amazing ingredient is a humectant, which means it attracts and holds on to moisture like a magnet, keeping your skin plump, dewy, and oh so hydrated. Vitamin B5 also helps to strengthen your skin's natural barrier function, preventing moisture loss and keeping environmental aggressors at bay. You can find vitamin B5 in a wide range of skincare products, from serums and moisturizers to cleansers and masks. Chapter 8. Vitamin F, the barrier-boosting powerhouse. Last, but certainly not least, we have vitamin F, a powerhouse ingredient composed of essential fatty acids that are crucial for maintaining healthy, balanced skin. While not technically a vitamin, vitamin F plays a vital role in reinforcing your skin's protective barrier. This barrier is like a brick wall, keeping moisture in and irritants out. You can find vitamin F in oils, serums, and moisturizers. Unlock your skin's potential. There you have it, folks. Incorporate these vitamins into your skincare routine and watch your skin transform in just 1 week. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so make these vitamins a regular part of your routine for the best results. Pay attention to how your skin reacts to each ingredient and adjust your routine accordingly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more skincare tips. See you next time.